Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, we will talk about the new release for the DirtyZero. Yes, I made videos on DirtyZero already previously, but we have version 1.4 here, which also supports iOS 26.0.1 and lower. So essentially iOS 17.0 to 26.0.1 is supported now, excluding iOS 18.7.2 to iOS 18.7.9. Also, it won't work on your A19 and M5 devices. You can see that there are very few tweaks or customizations if you compare it to Lara or Cyanide, but the good thing is that it has now extended version support. So I think that with more updates later, the developers might add new features or tweaks or customizations for you, so you can keep an eye on it. Right now, if you have a compatible device with the compatible version, you can install DirtyZero 1.4 from its official GitHub page. It is completely free. You can simply get here and you will see the latest release. You will simply get the IPA to your computer first, and then you can simply connect your device via USB. Then you can fire up Impactor, Sideloadly or iLoader to install this app onto your device. Now in case of Impactor, you can get Impactor from its official GitHub page. It is completely free. You will see releases, get a file for your Windows PC and install it. Also, to use Impactor, you will need to install iTunes. If you haven't installed it yet, you can get it from its official Apple's website and then install it on your Windows PC. Now, as you can see, my device is running iOS 26.0.1, which is compatible. Now, before you try to install DirtyZero, if you use Impactor, simply hit this gear icon, add your Apple ID, and then hit back. Then from there, you can simply drag and drop the IPA onto Impactor and then hit the install button. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once finished, you will see it on your home screen and you will see finished here on Impactor. Now simply follow the steps on device. Alright guys, as you can see, we have DirtyZero on device now. To open it, go to settings first. Simply head to the main page of settings, go to general and then go to device management and simply trust this app from here. Once your app is trusted, then go one step back, go to privacy and security, and from there simply enable developer mode. It will be off, turn it on. It will ask you to restart your device. Once you are in, simply open DirtyZero. Alright, you'll see no kernel cache found. Simply hit this button first to run it. Alright, when you see success, then hit fetch kernel cache. You'll see this message. Hit on exit, reopen it, then hit run again, and then hit initialize VFS. Now you will be able to use all these customizations and tweaks. So for example, I will select this one. You can also enable Helvetica font, and we will also clear app library background. Then hit apply tweaks and then hit respring. Alright, when you're back, you will see the changes you applied. And if you want to revert back to stock, open DirtyZero again, then hit run, initialize VFS, and then hit revert. You will see this dialog, hit OK. Your device will now reboot. Once you are in, you will see that your device will return back to stock and no issues whatsoever. That's all for the new version of DirtyZero. If you have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.